sorry.
I love you, you know?
No, I love you too.
Kelly never imagined that this would be his last conversation with Shay. Not long after, when he saw her again, she had already become a cold, lifeless body. A building caught fire, and when the firefighters discovered someone was injured, Dawson and Shay rushed inside without hesitation. Tragically, the building suddenly exploded, and Shay became the only fatality. After Shay's death, Kelly left the firehouse because he couldn't endure the pain in his back. But memories of Shay kept flooding his mind. When they first met, Shay openly chose Kelly to be her roommate.
Put it back in your pants, Lieutenant. You're not my type.
You never know.
I'm gay.
Kelly, say right.
Leslie Shay.
From then on, they started living together. Kelly would help Shay analyze her girlfriends, and Shay would help Kelly work through his problems. After thinking it over again and again, Kelly returned to that house full of memories. And when he saw the roommate agreement they had recorded together, he couldn't hold back his tears.
That we promise to be there for each other. Always. No matter what.
Always.
Always.